Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to scale an image in Revit, and this video will be super important for you guys if you want to trace a 2D plan or use a scan drawing as a reference for your project. So let's get started in this video. So the first thing is to insert an image or any plan you want in Revit. So this is the plan I am inserting in Revit, and I'm just increase this so that the view can be clear and the plan cannot be cut into it. Now the most important thing, this units are in feet and inches, so I want in feet and inches, so I will change units. I will change the distance feet, and I will change the length as feet and inches, feet and fractional inches. Now I will just take a reference for it. So this is the x-axis and this is the y. So this for the x, like it is 8 feet and 6 inches. So I just draw a line. So this is 8 feet and 6 inches. Now I will select this image, go for scale, then click on the first point and the last point, and just scale it. Yeah, and this is done. So now if you want to draw the walls, or like for the exterior walls, or you want to draw any interior walls, you can easily trace the image, trace the wall by the trace the, you can easily draw the walls. So if this is the wall, exterior wall, and this width is uh, so this width is like suppose 10 inch. So I will go for select a wall. I will edit type, then duplicate the wall. I'm giving like a wall type 1, and change the thickness to 10 inches, then click OK. Now suppose I am connected to level 1, and I am to draw from the finish face exterior. So you can see is taking the same thickness. And now you can trace the wall whatever thickness you want. So you have to just trace the wall. and if this case you have to press space bar. I'm just drawing the boundary so you can get an idea of it. And yeah, so this is the 3D view of tracing this wall image. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Build Digital with Uzair, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.